Hi guys, it's Ashley here from RA Soapery, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. And the goodies that I bought are from my friend Jennifer's over at the Soapy Cauldron shop, and I cannot wait to show you guys what she made and describe to you how they smell, because they smell amazing, to the point that I had to go out and buy one of the fragrance oils because it just smells amazing. So keep watching and check out Jennifer products over at the Soapy Cauldron shop on Instagram, Etsy, and she also has a YouTube channel on here showing how she makes all her soaps. So I will leave all her information down in the description box, but keep watching so you guys can see what I bought. We have, let's see, the Elder one. It smells so good. And when you guys see this bar, you're gonna know who this is, who this soap is themed after. Oh, it smells so good. Look how cute. So this is themed after Professor Dumbledore, and it is scented in Stormy Night, I believe. So yes, because I love this fragrance, and I actually went and bought the fragrance myself because I loved it that much. But yeah, he's so cute. She had confetti little soap shavings that she added to make an effect of his gray beard, and she did a soap stamp for his glasses, and look at the little stars in his hat. So cute, and it smells so good, so good. I don't even think I want to use this because it smells so good. All right, I'll leave that one there. The next one is Phoenix Tears, and I had to get the Phoenix because when I saw how she made this bar of soap, and when she cut it, I was like, oh my goodness. It looked like real fire, and it smells so good. I'm not sure what this one is scented in, but it smells so good. This is what it looks like, guys. Doesn't that look like real fire? And then she added some glitter, and that's her soap stamp. These are so cute. Oh, out of focus. This is a good size bar, guys. So go check her out. Put that one right there. I do have some a sample pack that I also ordered from her, because there were other soaps I wanted to buy, but they had sold out, so I wanted to snag the last sample pack, trying to see like what the other ones that I wanted to buy, to see how they smell, so when she's back in stock I can grab those. But all of these sample smells lovely. I know this one is the chocolate frog. I believe this one is the butterbeer. I could be wrong. But I also have the Slytherin house sample. I don't know if you guys can see that one right there. And I have the Gryffindor house sample soap. And the one in the middle, not sure what that one was. This could have been the Deathly Hallow soap that she made. Jennifer, let me know if I got them right. But you guys definitely have to go check out her videos on YouTube and follow her on Instagram because her soaps are amazing. Everything smells so good. Let me show you guys her card. This is the front. And this is the back. So I will also put her information down below in the description box, but make sure you guys go and check her out because these soaps are amazing. All right, bye for now.